How Saturn's rings originated, there are two hypotheses. The first suggests that the rings formed from the remnants of a near-planetary cloud of matter that did not become satellites due to the inconstancy of Saturn's gravity. The second hypothesis states that the rings arose after a large satellite collided with a meteorite, comet, or asteroid. In both cases, Saturn's gravitational influence played an important role. According to one model, Saturn's satellites were gradually absorbed by the planet when their orbits became too close. Light icy particles remained in space while heavy minerals were absorbed by Saturn. This process repeated itself, forming the primary ring of ice. Over time, the ice pulverized and some of the matter was lost by interaction with other objects. Another theory suggests that the rings formed when large objects from the Kuiper belt collapsed during a heavy bombardment about 4 billion years ago. Unfortunately, these hypotheses are based on scientific studies and models, and the exact origin of Saturn's ring structures is still the subject of further research.